Hey Naturally Glam fam, it's your girl Jana, and this is another myWW weekly. So start out with the challenges for the week. My challenge this week definitely was my tummy. I was having tummy issues this week. I think I do know what was going on. I started doing the green smoothies during the day, and then I eat like a reasonable dinner. So I started back doing that this week, and I think that's kind of what got my stomach just a little unhappy. Not too bad, nothing extreme, but just not happy. In the evenings I just really didn't feel like doing a lot of exercising. So that was probably my challenge. My win for the week though, I did lose 2 pounds this week, and I finally got out of the 160s. I don't ever want to see those numbers on the scale again. That's sort of like always my push, is once I get to, out of one group of weight, is like getting to the next group. So I have been stuck in the 160s for probably 2 or 3 months. It feels like maybe like 2 months I've been stuck in the 160s, could not get out of it. But finally this week I made my way out of it, barely, but it doesn't matter. I'm there, and I don't ever have to see 1/6 and any other numbers after it on the scale again. So I'm excited about that. The topic for this week for myWW is how to reduce stress eating. And one thing about me, I'm not really a stress eater, but I am a late night snacker. And so if I'm up late, if I stay up late when I'm really tired and I stay up late, which I guess maybe is sort of stress eating, because I think a lot of times when I'm up at night, I just have a lot of things on my mind, and I'm just trying to decompress and just getting into bed. If I just get in bed in silence, I just find that my mind races. So I end up staying up and like watching TV or something like that, trying to just calm my mind, and then I get hungry. I know a lot of people are stressed out right now. I too am a little stressed, but I think because I am at work during the day, I'm still going to work every day, like literally physically going into work every day. And then when I come home, I'm chasing a toddler until he literally hits the crib, or depending on what time Mr. Blake's comes home in the evening, I get a little bit of a break from chasing the toddler. So I honestly don't have a lot of time to be stressed and then eat. Like if I'm at work, I don't have anything to eat. I just have what I brought. And then when I get home, sometimes I barely even have time to eat my own food, because either he's hungry, I'm giving him a snack, I'm playing with him, or whatever I do try to eat, he also wants to eat. So but then it's the late night snacking. He's gone to bed, Mr. Blake's is doing whatever he's doing, he may already be asleep, and then I'm just sitting there. And so that's when I start to start wanting to snack. And so what I have done is I keep WW snacks on hand, and that has helped because I give myself enough points every day that I can go ahead and have a couple snacks and not feel bad about it. And I have my faves that I go to, and then if I eat those, I have like 1 or 2 snacks, and if I eat those and I still want something, or I still am feeling hungry, I drink some water, I'll eat a piece of fruit, and then I go to bed. Like I just literally just get in the bed and just go to bed, and that usually helps. So the tips that they're giving is 4 steps basically. So when you feel the urge to stress eat, you're stressed out, you got stuff on your mind, and you're like, I just want some ice cream, or I just want some chocolate, or whatever your chips, or whatever your thing is. Especially us ladies, when it's that time of the month, I guess you can roll stress eating right on up into PMS, right? Or, you know, a lot of people are losing loved ones, losing friends. You're stressed out about just the world situation. Are you going to have a job? Are you going to, you know, be able to go outside? Like, the whole situation is stressful. So first is you want to hit the pause button. Give yourself some time. I say log into your WW app and track whatever it is that you about to eat. Whatever it is, go into your WW app if you're a WW member, and even if you're not, just look at the nutritional facts on that package and then ask yourself, okay, is this really what I want to do? So that's what I think for hitting the pause button. That's what I would do. Even at my previous job, there was a lot of people on Weight Watchers, but there were a lot of people that weren't. And so if somebody brought snacks or whatever into the office and we're all stressed out and you just want to go grab that snack, I would scan it. I would take my Weight Watchers app, I would scan it and see how many points it was. And even people who weren't on Weight Watchers, if they heard like a high amount of points, or they heard us like, oh my God, that's a lot of points, then they would even say, oh, well, maybe I shouldn't eat that. Okay, then the other tip is to be curious. Like, ask yourself, you know, okay, why am I wanting the Snickers bar? You know, what's really going on? Is there something else I can do to make myself feel better about it? Is eating this snack really going to help, or is it something else I could do? If I'm worried about someone or somebody, maybe I just need to call and check on them. Maybe I just need to, you know, another type of distraction, basically. So, you know, try to check in and figure out what exactly is the fix you're trying to get. 3 is make a move. Do something else. Call someone, like they said, call, maybe write in a journal, play some music, your favorite song. Just take action. Take an action other than the eating. Take some other action. And then 4 is reflect back. See like what thing that you did outside of eating that snack or whatever. What did you do, and did that work? And then you can start to replace this stress eating with stress whatever. I'm stressed, I'm going to check on my friends, or I'm stressed, I'm going to just start playing on my playlist, my I'm stressed out playlist, write in my journal. And those things, you start to remember the things that made you feel better other than the food. And then you can start replacing the stress eating with some other activity. So that's kind of what I can do at late at night instead of eating the snack, is try to do something else besides the snacking. Maybe it's just playing some calming music or something, or writing my thoughts down before bed to kind of help me calm my mind so I can go to sleep versus staying up and eating snacks. My plan for the week is to just be more mindful of that. My other plan also for this week is to get back into my evening workouts and incorporating those back into the day, so I can make sure that I'm getting my strength training and my cardio in, because with the walking during the day at work has definitely made sure that I'm getting enough cardio, but I also need to add that strength training in, and a couple extra minutes of exercise ain't never hurt nobody. That's my WW weekly for the week of, I guess, what is this, the week that ends on May 2nd. Yeah. So I hope you guys have a good week, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.